We're here to help you pass your CBT.
This is a preview of lesson 19 out of 36 lessons, emergency stop.
There's a certain routine that you need to go through to carry out the emergency stop. First of all, you have to close the power and get the engine to start slowing down. And then we'd bring in the front brake, followed by the rear brake.
That was an example of just one of our in-depth online training lessons from the Vault. You will get all the instructional training videos, podcasts, ebooks, progress tests, and instructor top tips. To get full access to all the lessons, click subscribe and we will see you in there.